Have you ever gone to a bank and felt nervous because you didn't know how to communicate in English? In this video, you will learn a full real-life English conversation at a bank. From entering the bank, opening a savings account, talking to the bank officer, filling out forms, and leaving the bank confidently. So, if you want to speak English confidently at a bank or are you trying to improve your English fluency, this video is perfect for you. So, without further delay, let's get into the video.
Good morning, sir. Welcome in.
Good morning. Thank you. Could you tell me where to go to open a new bank account?
Of course, you'll need to check in at the help desk first. It's right over there at the front.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to National Bank. How can I help you?
I'd like to open a savings account, please. This is actually my first time doing this, so I'm not quite sure where to begin.
Not to worry, that's what we're here for. Do you have your documents with you?
I think so. Yes. But could you quickly run me through what I'll need, just to be sure?
Of course. You'll need a photo ID, address proof, a couple of passport-size photos, and your PAN card if you have one.
I've got all of that, my Aadhaar card, PAN card, and the photos.
Perfect. You're all set then. Here's your token number 24, and you'll be called at counter 4. It shouldn't be a long wait at all.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Token number 24. Please come on over.
Yes, that's me. Good morning.
Good morning. Please have a seat. I'm Priya. I'll be helping you today. What can I do for you?
Thank you, Priya. I'd like to open a savings account, please.
Absolutely. I can take care of that for you. Let's get started. Could I have your full name?
My full name is Ravi Kumar.
Thank you. Date of birth?
12th June, 1995.
Got it. And your current address?
15. Gandhi Street, Chennai.
Mobile number and email?
My number is 99999000000 and my email is ravikumar@gmail.com.
Great. And what do you do for a living, if you don't mind me asking?
Not at all. I'm a school teacher at Sunshine Public School.
Oh, that's a great profession. Teaching is so important. All right, now let's talk about the account itself. We have two options for you. A regular savings account, which needs a minimum balance of $1,000, or a zero balance account where you don't need to keep any minimum. Which sounds better for you?
That's a good question. Could you tell me, is there any difference in the interest rate or the features?
Good thinking. The interest rates are similar, but the regular savings account gives you access to a few more features, like a checkbook and priority customer support. The zero balance is more basic, but great if you just want something simple with no strings attached.
I see. In that case, I'll go with the regular savings account. I'd like to have all the features.
Great choice. Would you also like a debit card and a checkbook?
Yes, please. Both would be useful.
And what about internet banking and our mobile app? Honestly, most of our customers find it makes life a lot easier. You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, all from your phone.
That sounds really convenient. Yes, I'd definitely like to set those up.
Excellent. I'll get all of that activated for you. Now, I'll need you to fill out this application form. Take your time. It's only a couple of pages.
Sure. Is there anything I should pay special attention to?
Just make sure your name and address match exactly what's on your Aadhaar card. And don't skip the nominee section, that's really important.
Sorry, what's a nominee again?
No worries, it's the person who can access your account on your behalf in case of an emergency. Usually a spouse, parent, or close family member.
Ah, I understand. I'll put my wife down as the nominee.
Perfect. Just fill in her full name, date of birth, and her relationship to you. Take your time. I'll be here if you have any questions.
All done. I hope I filled it in correctly.
Let me just have a look. Yes, this all looks good. I just need your signature here, and once more at the bottom.
Done.
Could I take a look at your documents now?
Of course, here's my Aadhaar card, PAN card, and 2 photos.
Thank you. Let me verify these quickly. Everything checks out perfectly.
Oh, good. Do I need to deposit any money today?
Yes, the minimum opening balance is $1,000. How much were you thinking of putting in today?
I'll go ahead and deposit $2,000 to start with.
That's great. I'll process that now. Right, Mr. Ravi, you're all set. Your account has been created successfully.
That was quicker than I expected. When will everything be ready to use?
Your account will be active within 24 hours. Your debit card will arrive by post within 7 working days. And for internet banking, you'll get your login details by SMS and email from there. You just set your own password and you're good to go.
That all sounds very straightforward. Is there anything else I should know? Any charges or fees I should be aware of?
Good that you asked. Just remember to keep at least 1,000 inches your account at all times to avoid any maintenance charges. Other than that, there are no hidden fees. If you ever have questions, our customer care number is on this card. Feel free to call anytime.
That's really reassuring. Thank you so much, Priya. You've made the whole process very easy for me.
It was my pleasure. That's what we're here for. Welcome to National Bank. I hope you have a wonderful experience with us.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Alright, learners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. Also, let me know which type of conversation you would like to hear in the next video. Thanks for watching.